Hello and welcome to my channel, An's World. Today I'm visiting the beautiful York Christmas Market, one of the most popular magical Christmas market in the United Kingdom. If you are new to my channel, this is where I share travel experiences, walk tours and real life view of different places. So let's take our time and enjoy this festive walk together. York looks absolutely stunning during Christmas time. The whole city is decorated with lights, Christmas trees, and festive decorations. As you can see, the every stall you can see too many stalls there. So every stall is decorated, and it gives you a different vibes. So there's too many. You can see there's too many like absolutely like every stall has a different things. It start from flowers to candies. So there's some special candies. There are some kind of Christmas decorations, and as you can see, it is extremely crowded today, which made it quite difficult to film smoothly. There are people everywhere, families, couples, and tourists enjoying the market. Sometimes I had to stop or change directions, but I really tried my best to cover everything and show you as much as possible. Hope you will enjoy. Just keep walking with me. The York Christmas Market is also known as St. Nicholas Christmas Fair. It's located right in the heart of the city. The market runs along Parliament Street and continues through the historic city center. Being surrounded by beautiful old buildings and the impressive York Minster makes this market feel very special and unique. So you can see like there's you can see in the video as well. There's too many building on both sides, so that's is kind of special things, historic buildings for this Christmas market. So there's too many stalls as we talked before as well. There's too many stalls. Some are selling handmade gifts, Christmas decorations, cozy scarves, hats, candles, and unique souvenirs. All these stalls make this Christmas market very special to buy some gift for your loved ones. It's a great place to buy a Christmas present or simply enjoy browsing and taking some photos. Even though it's a very busy, people are smiling and enjoying the festive atmosphere. So, as you know, no Christmas market is complete without food. So food is always heard of the every Christmas market. So uh, you can find a wide variety of festive foods and drinks here, from hot chocolate and mulled wine to street food, desserts, and sweet treats. There is something for everyone. Too many different variety of candies, too many different kind of traditional sweets you can enjoy. There's a lot of for kids, for you can say for everyone. So all kind of sweets or all kind of foods, have everybody has something, you know, they love it, they like it. These are things like we cannot find in other markets. Mostly that festive season give us that special vibes about these foods, and the music, this kind of stuff. So that's the reason I always love to walk. As we walk through the market, you can hear festive music and see people enjoying their time. Despite the crowd and the challenges of filming today, the atmosphere here is warm, lively, and full of Christmas joy. This is what makes Christmas market so special. I really hope you are enjoying this walk through the York Christmas market. I wanted to show you the real experience of visiting up on a busy day, so you can see what it's really like. If you are planning to visit York during this Christmas season, this market is definitely worth experiencing. If you enjoyed this festive walk through York, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what's your favorite Christmas market. Your support really helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching On's World.